Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get video call effect on TikTok. So first, you can just open your TikTok apps and then you can just find, so you can click on the search column at search bar at the top, the magnifying glass effects, and then search for the video call effect or filter. You can just find it, just click on enter, and in here you'll see there are lots of options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can click on this video icon and then your TikTok camera will be open. Now you can just here show your face, and after that you can take a photo or a video. Here just choose which one, then you can just capture it, for example like this. You can click on a check icon and then you'll get your video call effect on CapCut. Sorry, it's on TikTok. So this is the result, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.